Okay, so if you're going to be putting ring bridles onto Gannet Leadline, you're going to want to stick the cover to the core so that way the cover does not move around relative to the core. Otherwise, wherever your bridle's pulling will pull the whole cover that way. So you're going to take some of your 2.5 millimeter neoplatina, you can take your awl, and you're going to use this motion. The awl's like in line with the arm and the wrist twists. And that's how you get this thing through the lead line without breaking the awl off at its weak point here. So you just keep the awl right in line with the arm and you rotate the wrist. You can choose any direction, doesn't matter, relative to your hangings. I'm just gonna go in on the vertical, and you can see I've got that rotation, not like this, not like that, like that. And I send through a little bite of line, maybe an inch sticking out there, and when the awl exits, you can see the twine came right out. Withdraw the awl. I'm going to stick the awl in again, giving it that rotation. If you do hit a piece of lead, I just stopped at a piece of lead in there. That's where you can give it a little tiny bit of angle until you're past the lead. I can feel it's now past the lead, and I'm going to go right back to that rotation. That's the only time that I'll do a little bit of angle on it, is if I ram into a lead, I'll try and go past the lead and back to rotation. So anyway, I'm going to send my tail through. I flatten out the twine between my fingers and insert it into the tip. We'll fold it over, maybe about an inch there. Now we've got our gear, our twine hanging through the line. You can see I'm backing it down to get about 3.5 inches of tail, and I'm going to trim the 2.5 neoplatina twine. Now I'm going to perform the dyneema locking stitch. In this case, it's just going to be in twine with an awl, and I'm going to be going through from right to left. So I've got my lines coming out parallel. I'm going to go through from right to left, the first one, and I'm going to send the second one, see, fold it over just 1/4 inch or so, back through. Now I get my lines parallel again, and from right to left, right at the join, I go through the second one and then send the first tail through. You can check it by inserting the awl and pulling. The line should hold. That is the dyneema locking splice, the same type of splice you use if you're going to be using, joining eye to eye with a big old wrap of, you could use this 2.5 neoplatina. You'll finish up that wrap with the locking stitch, and here our little stick where our ring bridle attachment point is going to be is performed with a locking stitch. And now you can seize your bridle on and go catch 1,000,000 pounds of fish.